I'm Katie Herbert, and I'm a home renovator who loves exploring creative spaces. I had a great job in media, but when my son was born, everything changed. If I was going to be a working mum, I had to make it count. My passion has always been real estate, so I decided to take a leap of faith and jump into construction and create beautiful spaces. I bought my first house in London when I was just 19 with a tiny down payment. The day I moved in, I stayed up all night painting the old brown kitchen cupboards because I was so excited to be in my own space. Then I sold it and did it again. Little did I know that 14 years later, that basic approach would become my calling. I love what you've done here. When I'm looking for new properties, I tend to stick to my golden formula: curb appeal, location, good bones, and parking. I've done 10 complete renovations, 6 rental overhauls, and countless other design, consulting, and partial projects over just the last 6 years. With every new house comes new challenges, but it continues to be interesting to me, and I've never once looked back and regretted that leap of faith. I love going into other people's spaces for inspiration. Look at this tile. Wow, what a great space. I can't believe that you made your own vanity. That's quite impressive. There's always so many fresh, new, and interesting ideas to discover, especially in the short-term rental market, where people are creating the biggest wow factors to stand out and keep guests booking.